Thomas, Hydro, Arapahoe, Kenton, Custer City, Longdale, Hitchcock, Greenfield, Loyal, Oakwood, Eagle City, Fay, Southeastern Canton Lake, Suvert and Omega. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood watch remains in National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Blane County in northwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of Hitchcock, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennessy, Wacomas, Okeen, Drummond, Ames, Hitchcock, Loyal, Bison, Omega, and Lacey. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood watch remains in effect from 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning through Thursday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of Oklahoma and northern Texas, including the following counties: in Oklahoma, Alfalfa, Atoka, Blane, Bryan, Caddo, Canadian, Carter, Cleveland, Cole, Comanche, Cotton, Garfield, Garvin, Grady, Grant, Hughes, Jefferson, Johnson, Kay, Kingfisher,